Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I'm going to be swatching the Saharan eyeshadow palette from Juvia's place. This palette has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5. My goodness, I can't count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Eventually.
This eyeshadow palette has 8 shimmery shades, which is a lot of shimmery shades for a palette, and 4 matte shades. So basically I'm thinking the idea behind this palette is to use these shades as transition and to deepen up the look shade, and the rest are shimmers. So because these 4 here are the matte ones. This palette has really small pan sizes, which isn't a bad thing. I actually quite like this palette. It reminds me very much of the Nubian original palette, except that these eyeshadows actually have shade names, which I absolutely love about this palette. It's not my most reached for eyeshadow palette from Juvia's place, but anyway, you guys did not come here for a review, you came here for a swatch video. So let's just do it right now.
Everything we had, ready for whatever's lying up ahead. We won't stop moving, feels too good for that. So good, feeling our love taking over. Our hearts getting closer and closer. I can't get enough of times of getting lost with you. Getting lost with you. Promise to be there in every single way. We're doing this.
Well, you guys, those are the swatches from the Saharan eyeshadow palette from Juvia's place. This is another palette that I kind of struggle with to build up the matte shades. They aren't very creamy or blendable at all. They are quite dry, bordering on chalky and powdery. So yeah, not my favorite palette. I like it because it's pretty to look at. The shades have names, and the shimmers are actually really stunning. The shimmers probably apply really super well with a base, but as far as an overall eyeshadow palette itself, it's not one of my favorite Juvia's Place ones. But yeah, anyway, I'll just show you guys the swatches and you can judge for yourself whether or not you would like to purchase this palette. So I hope this video was helpful for you and informative. Like the video if you did like it, subscribe if you haven't. Thanks guys so much for watching, and I shall see you all in my next video. Bye!